Welcome to Lucan's Adventures. We're here in the garage today. Got a package in the mail. We're gonna see what's inside. Take a look at this stuff. Join in. Now these aren't Altoids, but I did get some easy deflators. These are the generic brand. I accidentally ordered two of the air pumps and the deflators, so I'm going to return the one with the dented packaging. This is our MasterFlow Tsunami air compressor. Alright, these are the easy deflators. This is just the generic brand off of Amazon. Nothing too fancy. The thing is, these cost about $19, and they're very similar to the Ston deflators and other name brand ones, but just a third or a quarter of the price. So I decided to take a gamble. We'll see how these work. Hopefully they're a decent buy. Next up we have the MasterFlow Tsunami MF-1050 air compressor. Now this one's very similar to the SuperFlow air compressor and similar to the Viair compressor as well, like the Viair 400 or 350, something like that. So I don't know if they're identical or not, but they have similar specs, and this one had quite good reviews. So for $45 on Amazon, I decided I'll give it a shot. We'll see how this one works. Hopefully it's pretty decent and fills up a tire in less than an hour or so. It comes in a nice little bag here. Feels like a nylon type material. Nothing too fancy, but decent enough. A couple little places to clip your leads onto. Filter and some adapters. And then a little pocket for the hose. Let's pull the truck up and let's test out the tire deflators and see how quickly they'll drop the PSI down, and then we'll test out the air compressor and see how quickly we can fill it back up. The instructions say to deflate a tire to your preferred preference. Then turn the lock ring clockwise until it's tight, and then you take the adjustment cap clockwise until they're tight. So we're going to get that's seated all the way down to there, and then we're going to put it onto the vehicle, onto the valve stem, and turn the adjustment cap anti-clockwise until the tire starts to deflate. Once that happens, we're going to tighten the adjustment cap back. We're going to tighten it until it stops deflating, and then we'll take our lock ring and adjust our lock ring up and tighten it against the adjustment cap, and that will set the pressure. Now what this is doing is setting the tension on that spring that's in there, and the spring holds this plunger down. We'll give it a shot. Alright, coming out a little bit there. So let's tighten this back up. And looks about right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Why does my coffee always taste so bad?